Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the post-match presentation of the Bank Alfala Presents KFC series. Second match goes to Pakistan as they level this series 1 apiece. Now then, let me welcome the presentation party starting to my left. Mr. Javed Murtaza, Chief Financial Officer, PCB. Mr. Humayun Sajid, Chief Operations Officer, KFC. Mr. Ghalib Virk, Franchise Business Partner, Jazz. Mr. Mohammad Abid, Sales Partner, Vigotel Mobile. Mr. J. Jinping, on behalf of Inverex Electrical Vehicle, Inverex EV. Mr. Hamza Jafri, Head of Marketing, Hamdard Foods. And Mr. Samar Raza, Group Director, Real Estate, Infinity Ventures, SuperSaf. The first award for tonight, can I please welcome and ask Mr. Javed Murtaza to come forward to present the PCB moment of the match. The award will be given to Salman Mirza for that beautiful in-swinging delivery to get rid of Reza Hendricks, also to set the tone for Pakistan. Next, Ms. Samar Raza will present the SuperSaf Dishwash Bar Striker of the Match cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to Saim Ayub. Phenomenal ball striking. He will collect his award for 71 not out for 38 to seal the deal for Pakistan. Samar Raza will also stay on to present the SuperSaf Bowler of the Match cash award of 1,50,000 rupees once again to Salman Mirza. 4 overs, 14 runs, a phenomenal spell, picking up 3 important wickets. And I think we'll see him again a little bit later on. Mr. Ghalib Virk will now come forward to present the Jazz Superpower of the Day cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Fahim Ashraf. Always important to bowl in partnership. Picked up 4 important wickets tonight. Next award, can I please ask Mr. Mohammad Abid to come forward to present the Vigotel Mobile Master Blaster of the Match cash award of 1 lakh rupees once again, Saim Ayub. 6 fours, 5 sixes, 71 not out, and thoroughly entertained the Lahore crowd tonight. Mr. Hamza Jafri will now present the Hamdard Food Fielder of the Match cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to the Pakistan captain Salman Ali Agha. It was all pegs tonight, but 3 of them that flew in the outfield, 1 landed in the skipper's hands. Moving on, can I please welcome and ask Mr. J to come forward to present the Inverex Solar Energetic Batter of the Match cash award of 1,50,000, 1 lakh rupees to Saim Ayub. Striking at 186, 71 with the ball flying all around the park. Now can I please ask the player of the match, who is Salman Mirza, to come forward to sign a bat for Vigotel Mobile collaboration project in association with Al Mara Foundation. And once that is done, can I please ask Mr. Humayun Sajid to come forward to present the KFC Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 300,000 to Salman Mirza. Set the tone, bowled with some steam, got the ball to nip, and more importantly, swing around to pick up 3 important wickets. And important wickets, those of Reza Hendricks, Tony Dizorzi, and Matthew Bretsky. And we'll have a quick chat with him as well. सलमान, टीम में आज आपकी जगह बनी और बॉलिंग पहले करना, सेट द टोन करना बड़ा ज़रूरी था. क्या प्लान से जब आपने शुरू में बॉल किया?
प्लान्स बिल्कुल सिंपल थे कि विद इन द स्टंप्स बॉलिंग करेंगे और जो विकेट जिस तरह से बिहेव करेगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग करेंगे. मिक्स एंड मैच होगा और शुरू में ही पता लग रहा था कि बॉल होल्ड भी कर रहा है और स्पिन भी हो रहा है, तो वेरिएशन से ज़्यादा रिलाई किया.
तो ये जो मिक्स एंड मैच की आपने बात की, अक्सर हम देखते हैं कि पाकिस्तान थोड़ा सा लेट रियलाइज़ करता है कंडीशंस को अडेप्ट करना, बट आज आप लोगों ने बॉल 1 से ही रियलाइज़ किया, जैसे आपने कहा बॉल स्टिक करा तो स्लो वंस का खूब इस्तेमाल किया.
जी, जितनी जल्दी कंडीशंस को एक्सेस करेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंग बॉलिंग करेंगे तो रिजल्ट आने के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहेंगे और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह के प्लान जो था उसी ने वर्क किया.
पर्सनल परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें, कितना आपके लिए खुशी का मौका है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली टीम में आपको जगह मिली और पिछले मैच में जिस तरह पाकिस्तान की बॉलिंग उस तरह की नहीं रही थी, उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को कितना आपने एंजॉय किया?
जी ऑब्वियसली अगर आप कमबैक करते हैं काफ़ी मैचेस के बाद और मैच विनिंग परफॉर्मेंस होती है तो ऑब्वियसली आपको अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप खेल रहे हैं या नहीं खेल रहे। जब भी मौका मिले आपको तैयार रहना पड़ता है और उसको टीम के लिए अच्छा करने की कोशिश करनी होती है।
ऊपर काफ़ी डिबेट रही थी क्योंकि वर्नन फिलांडे जो पाकिस्तान बॉलिंग को बहुत अपने करीबी रखते हैं क्योंकि हिस्सा भी रहे हैं उनके हिसाब से जो पहला बॉल था रीजा हेंड्रिक्स को और जेपी डुमे के हिसाब से जो ब्रेट्सकी को बॉल था, बिटवीन द थ्री आपकी सबसे अच्छी विकेट कौन सी लगी?
मेरे ख्याल से तो जो स्लो वन पे वो बोल्ड हुए मैथ्यू, शायद मेरे ख्याल से वो ज़्यादा अच्छा बॉल था क्योंकि वो बॉल ने होल्ड किया और स्पिन हुआ तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा था।
चलिए सलमान, excellent figures tonight. Great watching. Go well in Lahore for the next one.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Yeah, talking about how they need to get or adapt to the conditions fairly quickly, and he realized the wicket was slightly tacky after the ball was nipping around, realized the slow ones were going to come to big effect. We spoke to him about which wicket he enjoyed the most of the three. He said the slow one we just held and turned slightly to clean up Matthew Bretsky's off stump. That was Salman Mirza with 3 wickets tonight as the player of the match. Moving on, Donovan Ferreira, right next to me now. We'll have a chat with him. On the opposite side of the result, and almost felt like South Africa didn't have a way against the onslaught from Pakistan with the ball.
Yeah, I think obviously we didn't bat well. It says it for itself. Yeah, it's hard to defend that as well. You know, you're not giving much for our bowlers to do. So I think it's just on our batters to go and reflect. But there's not a lot of time to reflect. So to leave it behind us now and focus on tomorrow.
As a captain, does that actually work in your favor? Then less than 24 hours a turnaround, because from 31 for 4 in the power, it's always difficult to come back from there.
Yeah, like I said, I think we're just not good enough for the bat. But yeah, it does help that, you know, there's not a lot of time to think about it and to go analyze it much. So I think it's really important that we just put this behind us and come tomorrow and it's a new day.
As a captain, what is the messaging like? Do you just park this and brush it under the carpet in terms of a bad day, or does it still some sort of reflection that goes in as a quick pointer maybe?
Yeah, I think we can take some learnings out of the wicket. I think it got a lot better second innings, you know, with the dew settling in. So I think it's more things like that that we can take and use to our advantage. But I think from a cricket point of view, you just park it and you move on.
As a series setup, one aside just makes the final that much more exciting.
Yeah, it does. That's part of the game, you know, pressure, you need to cherish it. And yeah, the best team will win tomorrow.
All right, then Donovan, go well, and we look forward to seeing less than 24 hours now.
Cheers, thank you.
Donovan Ferreira, and he will be back in less than 24 hours, as will the Pakistan skipper Salman Ali Agha. Salman, excellent turnaround. There were some tough questions and tough bowling your way, but you did the exact opposite and turned it out quite magnificently tonight.
Yeah, they outplayed us the other day, and we did it to them today, and it's all set for the final now, and very happy with that. Hopefully, we have a cracker in the final.
Well, we all hope that. But if you dissect the game a little bit, what was the learning and what was the messaging? Because it almost seemed like a completely different performance, and that you understood the surface really nicely today.
That's what you expect from us, don't you? But yeah, I think we bowled really well up front. When you bowl that well in up front, you take like 4 wickets up front, you're always going to win a game. And the other night, like obviously we didn't bowl well when we start bowling, and then we were chasing the game. And today we bowled really well and they were chasing the game. So this is what all the time happening in T20. If you put first punch, then mostly you ended up winning side.
And it is important that you start well both with ball and bat. Let's talk about the bowling first. Salman Mirza new into the attack, set the tone, but it was important to bowl well in partnerships, and Naseem Shah did his part right.
I think everyone bowled really well today, and if you talk about Salman, he's working so hard with Ash, and he's learning new things every single day, and I'm very happy for him. He's someone who we have like a backup of Shaheen, and he's becoming a more of a like frontline bowler right now, and I'm very happy for that. And Naseem didn't have the good night other day, but he bowled really well today, and I'm very happy for them.
Lastly, persisting with Saim Ayub up the order, and the talent comes good, really good tonight.
Well, he's someone who you have to give like time, because he's someone who can play for Pakistan next 10 years, and we are hoping he can continue and put more these kind of innings in future and become a player we want him to play.
All right, Salman, excellent win tonight, and we all hope we have a thriller tomorrow.
Thank you.
And that's all we have from the presentation down here.